Channel. This is Push Tech. Wherever you're watching me from, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all over the world, you are welcome. This is Push Tech once again. Subscribe, like, share my videos. So today we have a mission to track 7 West. 7 were Nilesat 2017 West. The beam favors Middle East and North Africa, and also extended to East Africa. So if you are in the northern part of Africa with 90 cm, 60 cm, you are good to go. Middle East, 60 cm, 90 cm, you are good to go. In East Africa, 90 cm, you are good to go. Central Africa, you may need a bigger dish from 180 cm. Nigeria, West Africa, you may need from 2.4 meters and above. Southern Nigeria, 3 meters. If you're in the southern part of Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Southern Africa, you may need 4.5 meter dish and above. So let me give you the tips to track it. Now, if you look at this place, we are going to track 7 West. Please take note, it's not 7 East. 7 East is different from 7 West. Now, this dish is facing 28 East, after 28.5 East. So this is the position of the East. Now I told you that we have tracking is only on the East and on the West. So if here is the East, if this side is the East, this side will be the West. This side will be the West. So if this is 28.5 East, so our 7 East will be here, somewhere here, which is this. Our 7 East is this. So definitely our 7 West will be somewhere like this. Like this. That's somewhere like this. Something like this. That's what we are looking at now. So I'm going to guide you through on how to track it. I'm going to give you the TP. I'm going to give you the LMB skew. I'm going to give you the ticks and the tips you need to track it easy without stress. If you need CNN, if you need BBC, if you need Bein Sport is also there. A lot of things are happening in 7 West. So hold on, we'll get back. Thank you. This is the final setup. This is the final setup. Look at the back. This are your 7 West will face. This is your 28E, or they are about 36E, almost the same like this. So take note, this one is facing this, while this one is facing this place like this. This one is facing like this. Cameraman face, let them see. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come here, come back, come back, come back. Let's look at the two. So this one is facing, while this one is facing like this, 28.5, while this one is what, 7 West. Go to the angle, come to this place, come toward this side, come like this. You can see it like this, you can see it. So this is how the angle is, 28.5, 7 West. So let's come to the front. Let's come to the front. Let's come to the front. Follow me to the front. To the front. To the front. Look at where your 7 West is. Your 7 West is. This is where your 28.5 is. So this is not the position, because I told you 7 lower degree will take a higher elevation. So I'm going to still take this one up. So first of all, let's give you the frequency I'm going to use. I'm going to use Nilesat 201 7 West, 10992 vertical horizontal 05000, and 11559 vertical horizontal 27500. So you can use vertical, you can use horizontal. The difference is this. If you use vertical, your LMB will be like this. If you use horizontal, your LMB will be like this. So that's the difference. Take note. If you use vertical, your LMB will be like this, as in like this. But if you use horizontal, your LMB will be like this. Okay, so we want to see. Let's use let's use the horizontal and see like this. So let's come to the back because of the sun. Let's come to the back and let's see. Let's see. Please, if you want to track, please don't stay at the front of the dish and track. You start at the front of the dish, your body will be like a blockage to the signal. So when you're installing big dish like this, always stay at the back. If not, you find it difficult to get signal because your body will be like a coverage in front of the dish. So let's see. I'm going to use this. So let's quickly come to this place. Let's see the screen. Let's see the screen. Let's see the screen. So we use let's use 10 992 10992 10992. Then we use H. I set my camera to, where did I even set my, let's see the this thing again. Let's see the LMB. The LMB is set at horizontal. I think the horizontal is facing down. So we use H. Come. So we say 10 992 H 0550 H 0 0 5 0 0 0 H. So let's make it bigger. So at this point, we just to take it up. We take it up. Move the dish up. So you can see, got 16. So you can see we've got 77. Now it went off. I'm trying to see again. Take it up. Oh. So we've got trying to get the signal here, but give me a tough time. So let me bring it down like this. Can we see the screen? Can we see the screen? So at this point, it's fluctuating like this. See, I've got 83, 85, 83, 85. So let me see. Let me see the view. So don't mind my IC. The IC of this thing is burnt, so you can't see. You can't hear sound of it, but this is signal. So that is when if you use this. Oh, come in. Let's go to the LMB mount and see. So you can see this LMB is on horizontal. That was how we got that's why we left it like this. This same signal again, if you put it to vertical, let's put it to vertical. We'll move it to vertical. Let's see whether we'll get this in. Let's come back to our satellite finder. Let's our satellite finder. Let's come to this because of the sun. Make sure it's facing this. You can see the signal is low because we change it from the same frequency. The same frequency 10992. So 0550 because we change the LMB position to vertical. So come here and change to vertical. You can see we've got full signal. So any of them you want to use, vertical, horizontal, just make sure you change the LMB from the dish there. So this is how you track your Nilesat. Oh, sorry, let me get the satellites. Let's quickly confirm before we finally round up. Okay, so this is the Nilesat. Let's blind scan again. Let's do a blind scan. Let's do a blind scan on it. Just hold on, let's do a blind scan and get this channels popping up. Let's see that coming up. Let's see what we'll get. Let's see what we'll get. Just hold on, take your time. Let's take our time to do the blind scan. It's coming up. So while we wait for it, let me just quickly do a recap. Let me do a recap while we wait for it. So this is it. Take a look at it. This one here is 28, while this one here is 7 west. 7 west. So I want you to have a proper view of it. Look at how it is. Look at how it is. Let's come to this side and get a proper view of it. You can see. So take a proper view, taking a 360-degree view of it while we wait for the scan to finish. And then let me position is, it can either be like this, or it can be the other way, horizontal, as I told you earlier on. So let's take a 360-degree view of it. You can see it. You can see it. Hope you can just take a proper look at it. It's facing up because it's 7 west. You have to face up, like see we are facing the sky, but not properly up like 3 west or 3 east, because 7 west. 3 west will be upper than this, higher than this. So take a better look at it. You can see from this side. You can see from this side. You can see from this side. So let's quickly go back to our satellite finder and see what we have. So we are done with the tracking. So I told you that my audio is bad, so you can't hear the voice. But this is what we have. This is what we have. A whole lot of them because it's mixed up with some old frequencies. That's why I'm having it difficult to view. So these are the channels list. The channel list we have. You have a whole lot of them here. If you get it properly, you get all this. So this is how we come to a conclusion on how to track 7 West. Thank you for watching. Please click the like, share buttons, subscribe button, and send me your question. I'll be available to answer them. Thank you, and bye bye.